There's a lot of information that's on the internet, and especially information regarding how expensive things are getting. But there's certain charts and there's certain things that you have to really fundamentally pay attention to. And there's some stuff that I'm gonna break down that's definitely worth understanding and trying to follow along. All right, so what you're seeing here is a tweet that I came across earlier today describing a home out in California that was built in 1950 and originally is sold for $8,000. But the home today is sold for $1.1 million. That was essentially the asking price. That's how much the value of it is now, and it's 1,400 square feet. Now, in 1950, an $8,000 home, same home, was equal to 200 ounces of gold. But in 2025, the average home is equal to 150 ounces of gold. So if you price homes in gold, they're 25% cheaper now once you remove the real problem. This is what's being described in this tweet. The real problem is that the dollar is being debased. Now, when you add insult to injury, it doesn't help, as this person explains, that the average hourly wage has declined 87% in real terms. So with that being said, the average hourly wage used to yield 0.07 ounces of gold, but now it's just 0.01 ounces of gold. And when you even look at this tweet as well from somebody that I saw on X, he's saying that he bought his home in 2023 and the price was $496,000. As he stated here, the price of his home in 2023 would have been 22.5 Bitcoin. But today the value of his home is $570,000, which is 4.85 Bitcoin. So in 2.5 years, his home value increased 15% in dollars, but it lost 78% of his. What really happened is that his house lost 78% of his value when you value it in Bitcoin, or if you value it in gold, and the real estate market is crashing. But no. So at the end of the day, there's just a lot going on with the monetary system across the globe. Dollars are essentially being created out of thin air, and when dollars are created out of thin air, it's debasing your time and energy. All the dollars that you earn at work are being devalued. So when you start pricing things in stores of value and things that can't be printed or debased or just created, like gold, or even in the case with this one individual, he was showing how his house value has changed when you relate it to Bitcoin. It's just a mathematical fact. And at the end of the day, you have to understand that the denominator, meaning the supply of dollars, will constantly increase to keep this system afloat, because debt is what's driving this system. So at the end of the day, take everything, like I said, with just the numbers, do your own research, but definitely understand what's going on and how the monetary system is impacting your life and how expensive things will be.